Sí. Yo estoy moliendo,
Walk across.
Maybe I go with you.
Excuse me, baby.
Come on, you need to go across there.
Go across. Whoa. About fell right there. All right, Grammy, it's you now.
Come on.
Whoa.
It takes two to hold you though.
Whoa.
Oh no!
So that'd been terrible.
I threw my back out on that thing.
This is a mistake, guys. I am way too big for this.
Stephen said this was a mistake.
Yeah, let me do that one. I can't get under these little rings.
You gonna climb that little bitty rope?
Yeah, it's better to go through these
I'm gonna go
rings.
on the wood.
You go through the rings.
Yeah, I don't have any problem with that.
Ow, hit my head. All right, GD, you guys, be careful, please, be careful. Don't hurt yourself.
No. Come on, Dee Dee, you can do it.
I can do this. That was just a little too rough.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I can't go.
Dad, can I do it?
Yep.
I'm gonna do it.
Let Daddy go first. Let Daddy go first.
Here, go, 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 go. Move, move, move. Oh. Go,
That's
go,
a
go,
rough
go,
exit,
go, hurry.
just so you know. There's two.
Can I go?
Yup. Come on.
Oh, crap. Coming.
Watch that, man. It's rough to get up there.
Putting some pressure on this rope. Thank you.
Got beat off. Oh no, another one.
Yeah, it's steeper than it looks.
Very good.
This ain't as flimsy as the ones you had in Mexico.
No, the one's in Mexico, buddy. I was concerned I wasn't gonna make it.
She said, don't go down there. It's too
You
hard.
can go if you want. No, it's your little.
Come on, I'll go with you.
I'll go.
Grandpa said he'd go with you.
I'm not worried about it. I'll go with him.
Come on.
Come on.
I'm going first. I'm going first because I'm.
Go, go, run, run, run.
You'll be doing no running.
All right, let's see what happens here, though.
Oh.
Knox, you should go in the other one over here. Knox. Knox. Knox, go around and come back through this one. No, this one, this one. Go this way. Oh, man, this is going to be terrible.
No, Knox is gonna roll down.
I got it.
Oh, no, be careful.
I've already had some experience
Okay,
doing
it's
this
okay.
year, you know? All right.
Woo, Lord.
No, no.